How to fix PayPal transfer failed issue. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix PayPal transfer failed issue. If you're trying to make a transfer on PayPal but you're not able to do so because it is showing the error of transfer failed, then there are some things you have to do in order to fix this issue. Now, there might be several reasons why a PayPal transfer may fail. It might happen due to insufficient funds in the sender's account, so make sure that your PayPal account has enough balance so that you can transfer the balance to someone else. The next thing you want to do is check for your internet connection. You need a stable internet in order to transfer money on PayPal smoothly, so make sure that your internet is stable and does not have any issue. You might want to switch between data and Wi-Fi to check. You may also need to check with PayPal to see if there is any restriction on sending money to the country the recipient is residing right now. Also, if the transaction exceeds your sending limit, you need to increase your limit or split the transactions into smaller amounts. Next thing you want to do is check if your PayPal application is fully updated. For that, open up Play Store or App Store and search for PayPal. Here, if you find the update button, simply tap on it and update the application to the latest version. You can also uninstall the application and then install it again and check. If none of these methods work, then you want to contact the customer support of PayPal and they will help you with the transfer. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.